Good evening, friend. In this episode, learn Hindi to English or English to Hindi by the exact Hindi consonant pronunciation. Hindi consonant exact pronunciation. See on the screen. See on the screen. Ka. Ka for kabutar. English word pigeon. Write as K. Kha for खरगोश. KHARGOSS. खरगोश. English meaning rabbit. KHA खा. Ga. Ga for gamla. GAMLA. English meaning flower pot. GA घा. Gha for घड़ी. English meaning watch. GHA. Anga. ANG. No meaning, only ANG. Anga. Cha for chammach. CHAMMACH. English meaning spoon. Write as CH. Again, ka for kabutar, pigeon. KA. Kha for खरगोश. Rabbit. KHA. Ga for gamla. Flower pot. GA. घा for घड़ी. Watch. GHA. Anga. ANG. Empty. Have no meaning. No word. Only write ANG. Cha. Cha for chammach. Spoon. Write as CH. Next screen. See the next screen. Cha for chhatri. Cha for chhatri. Chhata. Umbrella. CHHA. Ja for jahaj. Jahaj. English meaning ship. Write as J. Jha. JHA for jharna. English meaning waterfall. Ya. Have no word. Write as ANY. Ta for tomato. TAMATAR. Tomato. English meaning tomato. Write as TA. Tha for Thathera. 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 English meaning coppersmith. Write as THA. And next, see on the next screen. DA for Dalia. DALIA. English meaning is basket. BASKET. Dha for Dhakkan. English meaning is lid. LID. Hada for NA. Have some word. Will explain later. Ta. 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 Ta for takli. English meaning is spindle. Write as spindle. Tha for thun. Write English meaning udder or dug. Da for DA. Hindi meaning dawat. Hindi meaning dawat. Hindi in da for dawat. Ink pot. English meaning ink pot. Dha for dhanush. English meaning bow. See next screen. Na. NA for null. English meaning tap. PA. Pa for patang. PA. Patang. English meaning kite. Fa. FA for fal. 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 English meaning is fruit. Ba. BA. Ba for This is, there is a line. Ba, ba for bakri. English meaning is goat. Bha, bha for bhajan, religious song. Ma for machli, machhli, fish. Ya for yar, friend. Ra for rath, chariot. English meaning is chariot. See on next screen. La for lattu. English meaning is pack top. Wa for what? Name of tree, that is Ficus bengalensis. Sha for Sharifa. English meaning is custard apple. Sha, pronounced by Sha or Kha. Kha or Sha. For Khatcode, 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 that is hexagon. English meaning is hexagon. Sha for Sharota, that is pliers, pliers, that is pliers. Ha for hull, that is solution or plow. Cha, kshha, cha for chama, kshama, chama. Pardon or forgive, this is the English meaning. Tra for tra for trishul, that is trident. English meaning is trident. Gya for gyani, that is learned people. Thank you.